We are giving 2 ideas to Rodrigo Ferreira, USA. He asked that we can give an idea on the letter Q. Rodrigo, we have 2 ideas for you. Let us know which one you like. This is the first one that we're going to do together, and this is the second one that we're going to create, and we're going to edit on Photopea. And let's jump in on Canva and give you the ideas. We're going to access www.canva.com. Then we're going to look for the blank logo canvas. To get the 2-color Q, we are going to use a infographic chart. So you're going to click on your elements and you're going to scroll down to your charts, and you're going to add this progress ring to your canvas. Then you're going to rotate it and then size it and then change color to whatever color you want to use. Next, you're going to go back to your elements and you're going to search for curve. So you just type curve and then you click on graphics and you look for this curve that's called gold curve. You click on it once to add it on your canvas. You rotate it and you change the first curve to a white curve so that you start creating that gap that we're looking for. You can duplicate this so that you increase the curve shape, or you just increase it to make the shape of your gap bigger, like that. Next, you're going to add the last one where you duplicate it, and then you're going to change the color to that maroonish color, and then you add it on our design, and we crop it nicely so that it is just perfect. And I just like to reduce the transparency and create just a nice effect. Then we duplicate that and change the color to our beautiful yellow, and we make that 100% transparent and then align it. Nice and easy. You're done with your 2D logo, and you're going to download it as a transparent background, and then you're going to upload it back on Canva to remove those whites that we've created to have our gaps on. So what we do, we add an extra page, we upload it back on Canva, and we add it to our canvas, and we click on edit image, we remove the background to take off that extra white, and we click on apply, and we download it as a transparent background, and then we jump to Photopea. So we're going to access www.photopea.com. We're going to be using the template that's already there. So we're going to select on templates, and we scroll down and we click on the office logo mockup. We double click where it says your logo here, and we hide the example. We add our design and we size it, and we press Command S or Control S, and we click on logo mockup, the first tab. I love it. I really think it's pretty beautiful. In order for us to export this, we're gonna go File, Export as whichever format we want. We choose PNG, and then we download it by clicking Save, and we're done. For our second idea, we're going to go to our shapes and elements, and we're going to look for our circle. You could press C for circle on your canvas to create that nice beautiful circle, and then you're going to make it nice and big, and then you're going to change it to oval shape by squeezing it in order for you to create that oval shape. And I want to change this color and give it that nice beautiful bluish color. And then we duplicate the oval shape and we change the color and make it white so that we can create a smaller oval shape like that. Next, you're going to add a square from your shapes, or press R from your keyboard and change it to a white color, because now we're going to create that Q heart of our design. You make it a little bit small, then you create that path that we're going to be using to create our design. And next, you're going to create another square or rectangle. You press rectangle, and then you start adding those little shapes, and you start changing the colors of the shapes, and you start aligning all of your squares to create your Q. So we found this beautiful mockup that was created by Bevia, and the free office building one, we select it and we click on the link. Then we scroll to where it says your logo here, and we double click on the checkered box and we hide the example. We add our design and we align it and enlarge it. Then we press Command S or Control S on a Windows. Then we click on the first tab to go back to our main design. And it's beautiful. Done, created. I love it. Rodrigo, I hope it has given you an idea of what you could come up with and what you could do with your Canva to create amazing designs. Please support the channel by saying thanks on the thanks button, or you could buy one of our courses if you want to learn more about Canva and Canva courses on learnwithza.com. Thank you so much for joining me on this tutorial. I will see you on the next video.